Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we'll guide you on how to check data usage on your iPhone. Let's get started. To view data usage on your iPhone, follow these steps. Locate the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on it to open. Within the Settings app, you'll find various options such as airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and more. From these options, locate and tap on Cellular. Under Cellular Data, you will find the option called Current Period. Beside the current period, you will see your data usage for the current period. For example, my current period usage is 37.2 gigabytes. But what is the current period? To find that information, scroll to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, you'll find the last reset date and time, which represents the start of your current data usage period. My total current period is at least 12 hours. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.